Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel study uniquestudy.com. Okay, this is a chapter, the untrained mathematician. It is very important chapter for you, and you have to get inspiration from the main character of the chapter. And this chapter is based on the famous mathematician Ramanujan. Okay, so let's know more thing about the Ramanujan, and now think about his struggle life. So they were completely different. Okay, they were completely different in every respect. So here is the the writer says about that there is two person, and both are the different to each other to get the respect. Okay, one came from a poor family. It means one person it came from the poor family in a remote town in South India. Okay, it is the story of our country that belongs from in South India, and the a person who came from a poor family, and his residential was in South India. Okay, the other from the from a privileged background in England. And the second story that's held on a privilege means to getting a good right by the people, and her background, his background was very good in England. It means her economical background and sociable background both are the strong rather than South Indian person. Okay, one was a self-taught mathematician, the other was educated in an elite public school and college. It means here is the two here is the showing comparison between the two persons. One is belongs from the poor family, second is belongs from the rich families. One is the mathematician who take the self study and earn the knowledge, and here the second person who take the education in elite public school. It means the a ritual valuable schools, and their friendship and collaboration began with a series of letters, and also they also make a friends, uh, fast friends, and they sharing their feeling by using the letters. Okay, so this is the this story express about the friendship and the ability of the person that never stop her skills. Okay, so but some of the skill that he get the success, he need of the good friend. So here the two friends, Ramanujan and a one person Hardy, and both are the fast friend. They talking to each other, and the success of Ramanujan is a large hand of the Hardy. Okay, he it means Hardy gave him a good platform to represent his ability. So read this story and know more thing about the life struggle of the Ramanujan. Okay, so the 5 years old boy did not like school, although school was only the front of porch of a house in Tamil Nadu. The story began a little boy, his age of 5 years. Okay, he is 5 years old, and he did not interested in the school. Okay, he is not interested to read in the school, and although his school is only front of porch. Porch means courtyard. Okay, it is the courtyard, we can say that it is the branda of his house in the Tamil Nadu. And he did not want to sit with his arms folded and with a figure of on his lips. Okay, so he said that he did not want to sit with his arms folded. Okay, he did not interested to sit to fold her arms, and with a finger of his mix, and he did not interested, or he did not like to put your finger on lips and sit silently. Okay, so he ran home most of the days. Okay, so he did not stay at home, and cause of the hard discipline. Okay, and she came back at home, and his family sought the help of a police constable to make him attend school. And his family, it means her family member, also take the help of the police constable who who try to left in the school, and therefore he attend the school regularly. Okay, and that this boy would grow up to be a Srinivasan. And when that boy was who never attend the school, to left the school and came back at home, that boy was, when he grew up, then he became a Srinivasan Ramanujan, a famous mathematical person, a mathematical genius. Was totally unexpected. It means he has a unexpected qualities. He has a very genius person. He was very genius person. Okay, so while boy of his age played on the streets of Sarangapani Sunidhi streets uh, in Coimbatore, Kumbakonam. Okay, Kumbakonam, Ramanujan worked on mathematics for hours together. Okay, so here is the says that when some of the boys that was the age of Ramanujan played in the street of the Saragampani Sannidhi street in Kumbakonam. So Ramanujan, in place of playing, Ramanujan worked on mathematics for hours together. Okay, he spent many time to solve the mathematics, and he used the many hours to worked with the mathematics to help with their cash spread. Cash spread means having very little money. Okay, it means he has a lack of money exist. Okay, exist means uh, presence. He has no more money, he has a little money. His family took in a border. Okay, borders. Okay, and two of the whom were in a government college. Okay, his family has no more money, so they admitted him in a government school. Noticing Ramanujan gift, these two young men shared whatever they knew with him. Okay, and when the two young men know the quality of Ramanujan, they shared whatever they knew with him. It means they share their knowledge to each other. Okay, whatever they know. The Ramanujan soon devoured. Okay, devoured means swallowed. It means he completely study of their textbooks and the pestered. Okay, pestered them for more books from their college library. It means the two young men also shared to each other books, and the Ramanujan read out or study out all the books. And after the study, after the swelling, devote means to swelling, after the study, he demanded, he make the trouble the librarian and demanded more books from the library, college library. Okay, so next his obsessions with the mathematics would prove to be a problem, as he slowly lost interest in other subject. Now the difficulty will create with the Ramanujan, and he obsessions. Obsessions means we can say that it is the fast determined. Okay, it is the fast determined. It means someone will be crazy for anything, any objects or any person. Okay, so his obsession with the mathematics, it means he was completely involved in the mathematics, would prove to be a problem, and that involvement in the subject of maths, he create a problem. What is the problem? He slowly lost interest in other subject. It means he slowly he lost the interest of other subject, just like that science, Hindi, English, etc. are the other subject. Okay, and he demonstrated magic squares. Magic squares means agreed with the numbers in each cells whose sum in the same vertical, horizontal and diagonally. You can see here in the pictures, and we can say that it is the magic square, and when we add vertically or horizontally, then the total we can get the sum as a 15. You can see in the pictures. Okay, so magic square to his classmate in a history class. It means when he attend the history class, he solved the magic squares in the history class. Okay, although quite competent in English, as his letters written later in English would reveal. Okay, and competent means good at. Okay, as although quite competent, it means he is not better, not good in the English as his later written. Okay, and later it will very reveal for her. It means he knowing to her that he failed in English. Okay, and that reason will create him as a unsuccessful in English subject. Okay, it means he failed in English, and this led to his scholarship being withdrawn, and that is the reason that he cannot get her scholarship. Okay, which he could ill afford. It means he is not offered of the study of college, and the scholarship is very important for her, that given by the college. But when he lost his interest in other subject, and he also failed in the English subject, so the scholarship was lost by the Ramanujan, that he ill afford. Okay, so come on next page. Ramanujan then moved to his grandmother's house in Madras, and after when he failed in the English subject, then he returned toward the grandmother's house, and the grandmother's house in the Madras, and he secured admission in a Panchayappa college. The name of the college is Panchayappa. Okay, and she take the admission, secure admission in the Panchayappa college, and his math teachers were very impressed when his math teachers talking with him and getting that he is very intelligent in the maths. Then as he could work out problem skipping most of the steps. Okay, her, it means his father, his teacher, when his teacher doing exercise number 1, then he jumped out and he do next exercise. Okay, and most of the steps much to bewilderment. Okay, bewilderment means it is completely confused. Okay, and confusion of his classmate, and so as his classmate also be confused that how can he complete his exercises as a earlier. Okay, but here again he did not concentrate on the other subject, but here the same problem create here. He is very good in the mathematics, but he did not concentrate, did not focus on the other subject, and he failed FA. FA means fellow of art. Okay, fellow of art examination twice in a row. It means he failed FA. It means fellow of arts in a 2 times of the fellow and arts examination in 2 times. By now everyone acknowledge his genius. Okay, but nowadays he became a completely genius, and that was everyone expected. Okay, that talks was everyone expected, but the educational system was such that he could not obtain a degree. But after all, he genius in a mathematics, and everyone know that the Ramanujan was very genius. But here is the educational system not accept this, and this reason that was he did not get the degree. Okay, at 20 he had no qualification to speak of and no job. Okay, so when he grew up as a 20 years old, that he has no any qualification. Why? Because he was good in the mathematics, but he always failed in the other subject. Okay, and if he has no degree, then he has no job. But he had large notebook filled with a intricate theorem. Okay, but he never left the mathematics knowledge. Okay, and he make a complicated, he solve the complicated theorem and make a notebook and fill the that notebook will was filled with the formulas. Okay, friends arranged for him to meet influence man who supported him financially. Okay, and her friends, his friends also wanted to help him, and they influential man, they made uh, Ramanujan to a influential man. But and they also wanted to help him by support him financial. It means influential man also supported him as a financial. Okay, so next, today is enough for you, so we have to make I have to take another video in the second part. So thank you for the watching video. We meet in the next video.